This video is about the build hip, the second function in the hip sort. So this is the procedure for build hip. Here the largest number will be at the root node. After we will do this, a max hip will be created and the largest number will be its root node, and then or it will be at the first index. And difference between max hip and build hip is that max hip is for only one index I, as we have studied in the previous video, but the build hip, as we will see here, is for the full binary tree, and it is called only once in the hip sort algorithm. Whereas the max hipify, it will be called recursively. So let us see the build hip. In build hip, first we will see the hip size. That is, the hip size is a variable that denotes how many elements of the array that will take part in the hip building. We will draw a hip for the sorting, to a max hip for the sorting. So for that we need its size. Therefore, what is the hip size? And it is the length of the array, because this is we are doing for the first time, and at the starting of the algorithm, the length of the array, whatever the length of the array, be it 7 or 8, all the elements will take part in the hip formation. Therefore hip size is equal to the length of the array. And then from for I equals to length of a by 2 floor down to 1, that is from half of the array length till 1 in the decreasing order, we have to call the maxipify recursively at the index I. This function will return a max hip at index I. So what we are doing here length of a by 2 the floor, because the index length of a by 2 will denote the index of the last non-terminal or the inner node, the node from which maxipify can be performed. So we are having trees like this. A tree, suppose this is my tree, and I can perform accept from this node, because this node won't there is no possibility of a maxip, because only one node is there. We do not have any child node to compare. The left child is greater or the right child. Therefore we have to perform the maxipify from this node at least, because this has at least one child. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, out of 8 elements this has the index 4. Therefore 8 by 2 4, and from 4 onwards we have to see. So we have done here length of a by 2 down to 1. We have to see, we have to maxipify everything. If we will do maxipify here, here and here, then the whole tree is a maxip right now, and then we will proceed. So here we will draw the build hip for this array manually. So first, here the step 1 is build a binary tree for A, and then we have to proceed with this algorithm. So let us make a binary tree. 8, then 10, here 6, here 1, 9, 0, 7, 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so we have to start from length is 8, same as the hip size. And then what we have to do, for length I equal to length by 2, 8 by 2 is 4, floor of 4 is 4, down to 1. We have to perform from 4 to 1 in the decreasing manner. What we have to do, we have to maxipify the ith index. Here my I is 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I have to perform the maxipify here. The left child is greater than the root node, therefore this will be 5. This is 1, Then maxipify here 7 will go, here 6, and then this node is already in the maxip. We were doing this node, then we have to do this node. This is 10, 5 and 9. 10 is greater, fine. Then its previous node 8. Here we have to perform this thing. This thing is greater than this, therefore this is 10, this is 8. We have to see maxipify here, but 9 is greater than 8, therefore this is 8 and this is 9. And after this has no children, therefore we do not have to do anything. This is the final heap, max heap. So after doing this build heap, I am getting the array as 10, 9, 7, 5, 8, 0, 6, 1. After doing only build heap, we will not get the sorted array. There we will get only the largest array, the largest element as the root node or the first index. So we know that this is the largest element, therefore we have to and its place is at the last, therefore we have to swap it. So this will become 1, this will become 10. Then what we have to do is that we have to reduce this heap size. This is at its perfect position, so we have to reduce its size, and that is heap size will become -1. Whatever the heap size was, it will be reduced by 1, and then we will do the maxipify again. We will study that is in the sort heap sort structure, heap sort algorithm.